Key there. Welcome to our YouTube video where we dive into a common problem that many Windows users face. So, picture this. You try to Sysprep a clean Windows 11 Education 24H2 installation. Everything seems fine until you hit a roadblock. The pesky error regarding the Microsoft.desktop app installer package keeps cropping up, hindering your progress. No matter what you try, from unplugging the network cable to running various PowerShell prompts, the problem persists, leaving you frustrated and almost ready to throw in the towel. Sounds familiar, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. The key here is to start fresh with a clean Windows 11 installation and make all your modifications in audit mode. This workaround ensures a smooth Sysprep process without the persistent Microsoft.desktop app installer package causing trouble. Yes, it might mean adjusting your usual admin user configuration steps, but sometimes a little change can save you a lot of headache in the long run. Trust me, this method works like a charm. In summary, tackling Sysprep errors like the one with a Microsoft.desktop app installer package can be a real headache. But fear not. By starting anew with a clean Windows 11 installation and making your tweaks in audit mode, you can sidestep this issue and successfully Sysprep your system. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.